All right, let's go get this Father's Day workout in, morning workout in. I gotta say, my body feels really stiff after about 3 days of not going. Like I really, especially my lower back. So we're gonna see what type of workout I do, but stay tuned. When I came in here, I really wanted to do a light workout and just go on the treadmill, but I didn't listen to that voice. I decided to actually amplify a workout that I normally would do, and then add some more intensity to it with the rope. So I did the kettlebells, which is pretty standard. I usually do that 2 times a week. A nice high intensive interval training type workout, and then what I did today is I just added those ropes to it, just for that little voice in my head that said, I just do a light workout. So I just wanted to silence that voice and cut up the intensity. Whew, mission accomplished. Needed that workout. It's amazing how after like 3 or 4 days you haven't gone to the gym, how much my body tightened up. And I really wanted to focus on making sure I keep the muscles moving. Depending on when you're watching this, I want to just say Happy Father's Day to all the fathers who are watching it right now. In this vlog, you see me juggling a lot of roles during the course of the week, but probably the best job is being a dad, being a father. It's hard to put words on, but it comes with all the range of emotions. It's, you know, you're planting a seed and you're watching it grow, and you know, all that is just a beautiful thing to be a dad. And even those that are out there that, you know, don't have kids, but you've played a father role in some people's lives, that's significant as well. I mean, you brothers out there don't get enough credit. So I just want to just give you a shout out as I head back to the house, and then we're gonna go out. If you made it this far in the video, really appreciate you. I'm signing out for the day. Any fathers, again, happy Father's Day. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your time with your family. With that said, if there's anything that resonates in this video, let me know in the comments. I'm not going to be hanging out in the comments. Not today. Not today. Maybe tomorrow, though. With that said, peace.
Me wind and rain, you're some kind of bird.